In this video I'm going to show you some do-it-yourself healthy snacks, and all of these snacks are just made with fruits because fruits are just really delicious but also very healthy. And this video is more kind of inspiration to start eating more healthy because all of these snacks are really easy to make. But yeah, I hope that you still enjoy to watch this video. This is also a collaboration with Lisa and Lucy. They have an amazing channel. Make sure to check out their video. I'll put a link to it in the description box below. And if you're new here to my channel, then welcome. If you'd like to see more videos of me, then make sure to hit that subscribe button down below or here somewhere on the screen. And yeah, we're actually getting closer to 10,000 subscribers, which is so cool. Thank you all so much for more than 9,000 subscribers and all your support. It really means a lot. And yeah, I'm just going to stop talking now and let's just hop right into this video. So first I'm going to make these fruit yogurt popsicles. I started with getting some fruits. You can use any kind of fruit you like. I just got some strawberries and blueberries because I really like those. And then I just washed them. After that I got a small saucepan and I cut my strawberries in some small pieces. And then I put my strawberry pieces and my blueberries into the saucepan. Then I added a little bit of sugar. I know that's not really healthy, but it's to give it a bit more flavor, and also that it will be easier for the fruits to cook. So after that I put my saucepan onto the stove and I cooked my fruits. When you have cooked your fruits, you want to get the mixture out of the saucepan, and I just put that into a measuring cup so it will be like easier to pour. And then I added some yogurt and some milk so it will be more fluid. Then I got my popsicle holder. It's really handy. It's not sponsored, by the way. I got it from my brother. Anyway, you just want to put your mixture into your popsicle maker. After you've done that, you want to put your popsicle maker into the freezer, and when your popsicles are all frozen, you can get them out. Now I'm going to get my popsicles out of the popsicle maker, and then I'm finished. And I love how these popsicles turned out. I think they just look really cute, but they are also delicious and just a healthy snack for summer. And the fun thing about this recipe is that you can easily switch up with different kind of fruits. Next up is a really easy idea if you want to get a delicious drink for summertime. So I'm going to make some fruit infused water. I started with pouring some water into a mason jar. Of course you don't have to use a mason jar, but I just think it looks really tumbly. And then I added some fruits. First I added some strawberries and blueberries, later on also kiwi, but first I forgot that. But you can totally choose what kind of fruit you like to use. This is again really fun to do because you can use all kind of different fruits, of course, and switch every time that you get some fruit infused water. To make it even more of a cold drink, I added some ice cubes and after that a straw. And then you have your own fruit infused water, and it looks, let's just be honest, very Instagram worthy, and it's also very delicious and just perfect for summertime to have like a fresh and fruity drink. The last healthy snack idea is like a fun way to eat fruits. So I just got a watermelon, wait no, it's not a watermelon, just a regular melon, and I cut that in half. After that I scooped out all the seeds and things that are like in the middle of the melon. Now comes the fun part, which is adding the fruits into the melon. So again, I got kiwi, strawberries and blueberries, totally optional. But yeah, I just love how this looks. What you can also do, of course, is add some yogurt and eat out of the melon, the yogurt with fruits. I think that's also a really fun idea. But yeah, I really like how this turned out. It's a great snack for summertime and also very delicious and healthy, of course.
I'm sitting pretty impatient, but I'm always...
That was the video for today. I hope that that you will enjoy to watch it and you also got inspired. If you tried any of my DIYs, and I would always love to see that, make sure to send me pictures to my social media. They will all be in the description box below, like always. Also, don't forget to check out Lisa and Lucy's video. Yeah, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you would like to see more of this kind of healthy snacks video. And yeah, I see you next Wednesday. Bye!